Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this wig. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to easily install this beautiful wig. It's been a long time I actually wore a short bob wig, and let me tell you, I'm absolutely loving it. In case if you're wondering, this wig is from Myfirstwig company. I'm going to put all the specs and everything that has to do with this wig in the description box below. I know that the wig is 160% density, so I think they have 180 and all that. So if you want it fuller, then you can actually do it, but I am absolutely loving it this way. It's just so light, and it's as if I have nothing. I'm wearing nothing on my head. As you can see, the lace on this wig is something else. It looks so natural. As you guys can see, it looks absolutely natural. I am absolutely in love with this wig, and installing it was just easy peasy and so quick. I just used my straightener to straighten it a little bit, and my hot comb as well, to lay the frontal parts very flat. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So the wig came through the FedEx, and these are the accessories that came with the wig. So this is the wig. As you guys can see, the lace came pre-bleached, and it came with this band, headband, to keep it very well secured. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out the spare lace at the back of the wig, and I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. So now I have the wig on, I'm going to go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. I am stronger now. I won't let me down. No. My enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. Then I'm gonna spray my beard hair spray on the front of the wig, and I'm gonna tie a scarf for like 10 minutes to let it dry. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the scarf, and I'll start combing the wig. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of water and then apply my heat protectant serum because I'll be using my hot comb.
From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but
so now I'm gonna comb the wig. So here I'm gonna use my straightening iron to just straighten the wig a little bit, and I'm also gonna use my hot comb to lay the middle part of the wig very well. And yes guys, this is the final look. As you guys can see, this wig is absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.